What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be great. Want to know why? It's because we have one of my dream cars right in front of me and I have the opportunity to film it. That is so loud. That sounds crazy. I bet people in like a 3-mile radius heard that. I want you guys to hear this exhaust from the outside because it just sounds incredible. So what we're gonna be doing right now is, when there's no cars, I'm gonna ask him to just, floor it a little bit because this car sounds insane. Almost went sideways. Oh man, that downshift. And as you guys can tell, this car is not stock. Look at that fender gap. It's literally non-existent. Plus it has a catback system. I forget which brand it's from, but it has a catback, lowering springs, full PPF, and an aftermarket steering wheel. Alright, hopping into the R8 right now. Holy moly, it is cold as heck outside. Holy.
We're gonna have to keep the windows slightly cracked because
V10? That's why. This interior is super nice. I think this style was like back from like the 2017 models as well. It's so simplistic, but it's honestly still really nice. Very high quality feeling as well. Seats, very comfortable. When they say the R8 is basically like daily drivable Huracan, they're not lying.
Tons of carbon fiber around the entire dash, on the doors, and this is the special edition, so it gives you this nice beautiful white quilted leather, and also this beautiful blue metallic paint on the outside. What should I shift
but
that?
Let's see it at 7,000, bro. Oh my. Now we're getting some seat time in the R8. I don't really want to talk too much because I want you guys to be able to listen to this V10. Just by sitting in this car, I can already tell that the quality is really good. It's a very simplistic design, but it's just what you need. You don't need any screens in the middle. You just have one screen over here. And this steering wheel, it is aftermarket, but you got carbon on the top and the bottom, and you got magnetic paddles. And I know some of you might be commenting on that check engine light. Don't worry about it. Nothing's wrong with the car. traffic light. Let's hear some revs. Oh shit, there's a cop behind us. Alright. Since there's a cop behind us, we are going to turn the exhaust off. Oh. And the cop left. Such bad timing. Reffing it right in front of the cop. How subtle the pops are.
Yeah.
But honestly, if you got a tune and made them louder,
Yeah.
I would not be upset with that choice.
Yeah.
Yeah, since this engine is NA, you gotta really climb towards higher RPM ranges to start feeling the torque.
Yes, sir. Like 5,000.
Yeah, at least.
He would not care.
Oh, there's this cop right there too. Fuck.
Yeah, always.
They're everywhere, man. I'm just trying to have some fun in an R8.
Yeah.
Make sure we don't scrape the lowered R8. Nice. All right, so while the owner of the vehicle gets gas for the R8, we had a little bit of fun, got a fuel up. I will say the interior quality is super nice. Like, dare I say, it's better than the Mercedes. For my GTS, if I go over like some big potholes or rough roads, you can start hearing the creaks and stuff. But in the R8, I understand it's like only 8,000 miles, but I don't hear anything. You can't hear anything. Like, nothing creaks, nothing rattles. The buttons all feel fantastic. Like, just listen. And I do like that over here is like slanted like towards the driver. So it's very driver focused. It is all-wheel drive. Me personally, if I were to get an R8, I would get the rear-wheel drive version just because it's more fun. And honestly, I can't help but compare this R8 to my GTS because like my GTS is like a high-end sports car or like a low-end supercar. This is definitely supercar for sure with the NA V10. I can't help but compare it to my car. My car, I think I would still choose the GTS over the R8 in terms of fun, because the GTS is a lot more raw and a lot more visceral than the R8, but the R8 is such a good daily. All-wheel drive, naturally aspirated V10, it sounds incredible as you guys heard, and I'm happy that the owner allowed me to drive this car for a couple days, and I had a very fun experience. If you guys want to see more of this car, let me know in the comments below and I'll talk to the owner. I'm sure he'll be okay with it. We'll get some more videos done, but if you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments below. See you guys in the next one.